The following interview contains commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.
When it comes to home improvement projects, quick, easy, and mess-free is key. Our friends at InstaTrim are back with a look at their products and how they can really transform your home. And right now there is a special sale just for our viewers. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm your host, Heidi Bodine for Minnesota & Company. Joining me now is InstaTrim's co-owner and inventor, Greg Amundsen. Welcome back, Greg.
Thank you, Heidi. It's great to be here.
I've heard people have come up to me to ask about your product. We are so glad you're here. For people who didn't see it the first time around, it's really fun to watch. And we want to ask you first off, for those people who didn't see it, what is it?
InstaTrim is a product I invented 15 years ago. And being a prior home builder, I was always very frustrated with caulking. It could be $1 million house and the caulking was terrible. So I came up with this idea and it proved out pretty quick, and that was the beginning of our company. And we now have a solution that's simple enough for anybody to do and does not require skill set or additional tools.
So why would people use this? You said even expensive homes have those issues. Why?
InstaTrim is simple. And we came up with 6 colors so we can match any decor. And we recently just launched our new bronze, which is a popular color. And it just makes the caulking trimming issue much simpler for the average person.
And we do have a QR code, and we love that because people can scan it and find out about the 35% off your order for our viewers. So now we want to see how this all works, and this is where it gets so fun. This is mimicking, like, this is a wood floor, right? And this would be your baseboard.
Right.
So tell us what happens.
Well, this is a pretty common area where there's usually gaps and cracks. Bugs come through there and it's dirty. So InstaTrim, literally, you just press it in place.
Look at that.
And if you get it crooked, peel it back up and reapply it.
Yeah,
So
last time I did it a little crooked. I love that the kit, which you can get at Menards, we should let people know, comes, you can see how you're using that tool, which is just perfect. So you kind of put it on with your fingers and then use it. Let me give it a try and see if I can even do it. And I love how it doesn't, I mean, you can play around with it to get it just the way you want.
Yeah, the adhesive will bond much better over 24 hours.
Okay.
But think of it as like kind of a poster putty consistency, so it's very forgiving.
I like to use the tool. And the other thing that's nice is this is a perfect match, obviously, to white. Don't look at my work. But you have a new color, and I love that you can customize it to what you already have.
True, and we have the most popular accent colors. We just added bronze, which is a very popular color today, but you can accent your corners as a decor, or you can match them so it blends in.
And it does, all of them come with the custom colorized corners. Tell us what else you can do with this.
InstaTrim works great for weather stripping as well, which is a big deal in Minnesota.
Good time of year to be talking about that. It's so cold.
This is obviously a window.
Okay.
Oftentimes there's gaps between the window and your window trim. So InstaTrim also works very well here to seal those spaces where the wind is blowing in.
Are you outside or inside right now?
You could be outside or inside.
Wow.
It's exterior or interior.
And why is it better than caulking?
InstaTrim will last longer than caulking will.
Yep.
It looks more uniform. It's a perfect bead of trim, so you don't have all these wavy caulking lines. You're not touching it with your finger. It's just simple.
It is simple, and that's what and this kit is simple and nice. It just opens right up from Menards. You're also going to be at the home show, which I love that because you can see everything. Stop by, you're going to get a sticker. I know that's not until March, but tell us about that.
Well, we will have a booth at the home show this year for the first time.
Yeah.
And we want to introduce our brand to the local folks because we're from Minnesota and we're based in Minnesota. Everything's made in Minnesota.
We love that.
So come to our booth, we'll give you a free bumper sticker and show you our products, and they'll be available for purchase as well.
And you can meet Greg. He is a great guy. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I hope everybody can take advantage. Here is that special offer just for Minnesota & Company viewers. Scan the QR code on your screen, get 35% off plus free shipping. The offer is available now through January 12th. This offer cannot be combined with any other offers. Shop online at InstaTrim.com. We'd like to thank you, Greg and InstaTrim, for sponsoring today's interview. Be sure to check them out at the home show as well.
Thank you, Heidi.